The importance and methodology of detoxification. In the midst of our modern lifestyles characterized by environmental pollutants, processed foods, stress, and various unhealthy habits, the concept of detoxification has emerged as a crucial practice for achieving and maintaining optimal health. This essay delves into the reasons behind the necessity of detoxification and provides an in-depth exploration of how it can be effectively carried out. Why should detox be done? Detoxification, or detox, serves as a pivotal process aimed at cleansing the body from harmful toxins accumulated through exposure to pollutants, unhealthy dietary choices, stress, and other detrimental factors. The significance of detoxification can be understood through several compelling reasons. Firstly, detoxification facilitates the removal of accumulated toxins from the body, thereby allowing our organs to function more efficiently. In our daily lives, we are constantly exposed to toxins from sources such as air pollution, processed foods, and chemical substances. These toxins can overload our body's natural detoxification mechanisms, leading to various health issues. By engaging in detox practices, we support our body's innate ability to eliminate these harmful substances and restore its balance. Secondly, detoxification plays a crucial role in bolstering the immune system. A buildup of toxins in the body can compromise immune function, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Through detoxification, we strengthen our immune defenses, enhancing our ability to ward off diseases and maintain overall health and well-being. Furthermore, detoxification contributes to increased energy levels. The presence of toxins in the body can lead to feelings of fatigue and sluggishness. By eliminating these toxins through detox practices, we experience a rejuvenation of energy, enabling us to feel more vibrant and alert. Detoxification also supports weight management and regulates metabolism. Toxins can disrupt metabolic processes and contribute to weight gain. Through detoxification, we can optimize metabolic function, leading to more efficient calorie burning and improved weight control. Additionally, detoxification serves as a catalyst for cultivating healthy eating habits. Many detox programs encourage the consumption of whole, nutritious foods while discouraging the intake of processed foods, sugars, and caffeine. By adopting these healthier dietary practices during detox, we establish a foundation for long-term wellness and vitality. How to do detox. Detoxification can be approached through various methods, each offering unique benefits and outcomes. Here are some fundamental steps to effectively undertake a detoxification process. Hydration. Adequate hydration is essential during detoxification. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water per day to support the body's detoxification processes. Starting the day with a glass of warm water infused with lemon can stimulate digestion and kickstart metabolism. Nutritious diet. Focus on consuming whole, nutrient-dense foods while avoiding processed foods, sugars, caffeine, and alcohol. Emphasize fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy protein sources during your detox journey. Incorporating leafy greens, antioxidant-rich fruits, and fiber-rich foods can enhance detoxification and promote overall health. Herbal teas and detox waters. Incorporate herbal teas such as green tea, chamomile tea, or dandelion tea into your daily routine. These teas contain antioxidants and compounds that support detoxification. Additionally, prepare detox waters infused with lemon, cucumber, mint, or ginger for added hydration and detox benefits. Physical activity. Engage in regular physical activity to support detoxification and overall well-being. Activities such as yoga, walking, or cycling can promote circulation, lymphatic drainage, and sweat production, aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. Stress management. Implement stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or mindfulness practices to support detoxification. Chronic stress can impede detox processes, so prioritizing relaxation and stress management is essential for optimal detoxification outcomes. In conclusion, detoxification is a vital practice for promoting health, vitality, and overall well-being in today's toxin-laden world. By understanding the importance of detoxification and adopting effective detox strategies, individuals can embark on a transformative journey towards improved health and longevity. However, it's essential to approach detoxification with mindfulness and consult with a healthcare professional before initiating any detox program, especially for individuals with underlying health conditions. With dedication and commitment to a holistic approach to wellness, detoxification can become an integral part of a healthy lifestyle, empowering individuals to thrive in body, mind, and spirit. Are you ready to take a step towards a healthy life? Then don't forget to subscribe to the I Am Ademyasar YouTube channel and join us on the journey to a healthy lifestyle. Stay healthy.